Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this rational function problem. As per the problem, write an equation for a rational function whose graph has all of the indicated features: x-intercept of -4, y-intercept of -2, vertical asymptote with equation x equals 2, and horizontal asymptote with equation y equals 1. This rational function has one vertical asymptote. It also has a horizontal asymptote. So the general equation for this rational function can be: we have to find the values of a, b, c, and d for this rational function using the given values. We can start our analysis with vertical asymptote. As per the problem, the vertical asymptote for this function is x equals 2. We can find the vertical asymptote from the general equation by setting the denominator expression equal to 0 and solving for x. I get x equals negative d over c. As per the problem, the vertical asymptote is x equals 2. Therefore, negative d over c should be equal to 2. The denominator of 2 is 1. So as per this equation, the value of c can be 1 and negative d is equal to 2, or d is equal to negative 2. So we have found the values of c and d. Next, we can do the analysis for horizontal asymptote. The given horizontal asymptote is y equals 1. In the general equation, the degree of the numerator expression is 1 because of the x term in the numerator. The degree of the denominator expression is 1 because of the x term in the denominator expression. The value for horizontal asymptote from this general equation will be equal to the ratios of the coefficients of x terms in the numerator and the denominator. So it should be equal to y equals a over c. Since the given horizontal asymptote is y equals 1, a over c should be equal to 1. The denominator of 1 is 1. So from this equation, we can conclude that c can be equal to 1, which is also the value we got from the vertical asymptote analysis, and a is equal to 1. So we have found the values of a, c, and d. Next, we can find the value of b by doing the analysis for x-intercept. The given x-intercept is -4. We can find the x-intercept from the general equation by setting the numerator expression equal to 0 and solving for x. I get x equals negative b over a. The given x-intercept is -4, therefore negative b over a should be equal to -4. The denominator of 4 is 1. So from this equation, we can conclude that a can be equal to 1 which is the value we got from the horizontal asymptote analysis, and negative b is equal to negative 4, which means b is equal to 4. Now we have the values for a, b, c, and d. We can validate these values by doing the check for y-intercept. The given y-intercept is negative 2. We can find the y-intercept from the general equation by subbing in x as 0. A times 0 is 0, 0 plus b is b, c times 0 is 0, 0 plus d is d. I get y equals b over d. Since the given y-intercept is at negative 2, b over d should be equal to negative 2. We can sub in the values of b and d to check if the left side becomes equal to the right side. We found b equals 4 and d equals negative 2. 4 over negative 2 is equal to negative 2. So the left side becomes equal to the right side. That means the values we found validate the given y-intercept. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 1, d is equal to negative 2. Now we can sub in these values to write the equation of the rational function. A is equal to 1, so we can ignore it. C is equal to 1, so we can ignore it. This is the equation of this rational function. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.